Now this figure 18-27 illustrates sizing the overcurrent protection device ahead of a feeder that is routed over to an auxiliary gutter where taps are made to supply motors. Now basically, to start with, designers will start sizing the overcurrent device for one motor like it's the only motor on the circuit, as you see in the illustration, where you have the 30 horse, 3-phase, 460 volt Design B motor, which in this case is considered the largest motor. So an application, of applying 430.62A, sizing the overcurrent device for the largest motor in the group. Now that's what we just selected here, the 30 horse, 3-phase, 460 volt Design B. In step 2, you add this overcurrent device rating to the full load current ratings of the other 3 motors that you see, motor 1, 2, and 3. And then you select the overcurrent device based upon that percentage, and if it doesn't fall with a standard overcurrent device selected from 240.6A, then you must round down, because there's no exception in 430.62A to let you round up. Now that's what this figure 18-27 is illustrating, sizing the overcurrent protection device for 2 or more motors on a feeder, or maybe motors with other loads in some cases, based upon 430.62 in the NEC.